Okay, check those thermostats, guys. Unoccupied setting, 92. No bueno. Venstar T2800. Just a little picture. I reprogrammed it to 78 degrees, unoccupied, showing the location of condenser. Bad location, really dusty, dirty. You can see this condenser is just plugged to the max. All that dust and dirt from being in that planter. That condensing unit's actually in a rock and dirt planter. Not good. Return air grill. Showing just cleaning it. It was pretty damn plugged with dirt. Hadn't been cleaned quite a while. I'm kind of shocked about that. It's one of those Federal open air merchandiser little things, about a 36-inch wide. Temp check on it, 38 degrees. Working good, but in the back it seemed a little warm. Had a feeling the condenser was choked. So this is me laying down my moving blankets and checking it out. And here comes the video. Thanks for watching. Okay, wow. Man, it must have taken me like 2 hours to get all the junk out of this condenser. This is one of those Federal units. I don't know if you can see, hopefully the light, but it's like a 115 volt SSRC R404, 2008 serial number 0810. That means 2008 October manufacture date. You can also probably see on the compressor to verify the K should be, I don't know if we can get it. I think that you can see it, maybe. Okay, something 08. There's your serial number on that. Sight glass receiver, sight glass dryer. It's all factory, except for all the wire ties you see, and me separating the cap tubes and everything from rubbing and all that kind of stuff, and keeping the. Looks like I put a condenser fan motor in there. Just cleaned the fan blade. Boy, it took 20 pounds of CO2, man. I went through half of that tank. When it frosts up half like that, means it's half empty. Whenever your tanks, you'll think they're empty, but when the frost melts, it'll be half full again. So anyways, but let's see if this thing is clean at all. Hopefully it is. Should be way better. Man, that stuff was stuck to this stuff. I'll tell you, did a light, blew it out, then a light chemical clean, then blew it out again, brushed it and everything, and I think I got it pretty freaking good. That's probably about 97% clean. I think there's still I think I see a couple little teeny little spots here and there, but it should be. Man, stuff was stuck to that thing, stuck inside it, man. It wouldn't blow out. Even at CO2 at full pressure, at 2,000 pounds pressure, it still wouldn't blow out. Man, I must have blew that thing out 3 or 4 times. But I finally got it all clear and clean between the middle of it and everything. There's one little, I think there's a little hairball up there, but I think I got most of it good. Whoosh. What a pain in the rear. Oh man, let's see if I can see if this helps at all. Let me try. See if this helps at all. If we can put a light behind it or something. If that helps. Do anything like that. Should be. Yeah. Should be pretty good. Sorry about that, guys. Dropped the phone. Oh, yeah. got it finally. Oy vey. I came up to this unit, man, I knew it was hot. Didn't look plugged. It was clean on the front, and clean on the back. But the center, it had all kinds of patches of blocks. So anyways, man, what a bear. Wiped off the compressor too, to body the top and the front so the oil can get cool from the fan, and the receiver wiped it off a little bit. And anyways, all right, that should be good. Oh man, I think this thing's not focusing anymore. This motor sounds like crap, Jim. Gotta replace this motor. When I hold on to it, shit, it was rubbing against this thing a little bit. I think it was hurting the motor maybe. Right there, it was rubbing. That spot in the middle, it's a little bit black. It's hitting that. I think it might have damaged that motor. It doesn't sound good to replace that thing. Okay, how do you tell when one of these 9-watt motors is bad? Well, when they sound like crap, but also you take your amp meter, put it on one of the wires. Hang on a second. Two hands for a second. Hang on. Okay, here we go. Amps, 0.59, 0.5, that was 0.6 a minute ago. So, yeah, too many amps. These motors are either rated for 0.50 or 0.52 max, so the bearings are dragging on this thing. So, yeah, I gotta replace this motor. I gotta see if I got one on the truck. See, that's 0.60. Like, motor, my amp meter's got a couple 0.2 on it, so it's still too high. Shouldn't be any higher than 0.54. Or 0.55 max or something, but up at 0.6, yeah, it's no good. Definitely gotta replace that motor.